Hi friends, welcome back again to my video tutorial on what I'm going to do today is algebra, and we are going to learn how to do expansion. Okay, I believe this will be taught, or this is taught when you're in Sec 1. So for those of you who are still having troubles understanding this part, let us listen to this and hopefully we will understand this better. Okay. The first question, I'm going to go through a few examples here. The first one is given by 3 bracket 2x minus 5. Okay, you will be taught this in school. Okay, it's called the rainbow method for the expansion. So this expression given simply means, it basically means 3 times by 2x minus 5. Okay, you need to take 3 multiplied by this 2x minus 5. So how to do this is basically this number 3 you multiply by 2x, and this number 3 multiplied by this negative 5. Okay, so before I move on, there is a very important concept that you must understand. This is about multiplication. I'm going to draw 4 boxes here. Okay, four different grid. I'm going to have a plus and a plus, a minus and a minus, plus and minus, minus and a plus. Okay, this simply means when a positive multiplied by a positive, you're going to get an outcome here. A negative multiplied by another negative, you're going to get another outcome. This one is plus multiplied by minus, and minus multiplied by plus. You'll get one outcome. So whenever you see two same signs multiplying each other, plus times plus, minus times minus, you're going to get an eventual plus sign. If you have a plus multiplied by minus or minus multiplied by a plus, the resultant is a minus. Okay, so let us understand this and let us remember this figure. Okay, this not a chart but a simple drawing that you can remember. Okay, so we are going to need this to solve this. So back to this one. This is a 3 multiplied by 2x. So 3 times 2 is 6, and then there's an x here, so we just put an x. So 3, okay, and this one is actually a positive. Okay, there's no sign, it means this is a positive. There is no sign for this 3, it also means this is a positive. So plus multiplied by plus is a plus. So that's why I will just put a 6x here. So the next one is, this is a plus multiplied by minus. So plus and minus gives me a minus, so I will put a minus here. 3 times 5 is 15. So this is your answer for this question. Okay, so this is just one example. Let us look at another example. Let me change the pen. We have a minus 9 multiplied by minus 2h minus 3. Okay, so again, by the rainbow method, minus 9 multiplied by this, minus 9 multiplied by this. So let us do the signs first. Minus and minus, okay, they are same signs, so I will get a positive. But since this is the first term, I'm not going to write down the sign. I don't have to write down, it's understood. So 9 multiplied by 2 is 18, and I have an h here, so I will get 18h. The second one is minus times by minus again. So since they are the same, I get a plus. So 9 times 3 is 27. Okay, so this is my answer for this question. Okay, so I've done 2 different expansion, and this is just your first step. The next kind of question that you are going to see is a combination of your first one, a combination of this question and this one. Okay, so let us see how let us see the question, and let's see how to do it. So we have a 7 multiplied by 2x minus 3y minus 4 times x minus 5y. Okay, so from here I can see there are two parts to do this. This is my first part. Okay, this is my first section. This is my second section, or my second group. Okay, again, let's do the rainbow. 7 multiplied by 2x, 7 multiplied by this, minus 3y. I'm going to pause here and explain and clarify. You don't have to take this 7 to multiply by this 4. Okay, there's no need for you to do that. If you are going to do that, that means you are going to be confused and there's no end to this question. You don't even have to take this 7 multiplied by this x and this minus 5. Okay, basically it's just this group 1 and this group 2. So the outcome will be plus and plus is a positive. 7 times 2 is 14, so I have a 14x here. Plus and minus is a minus. 7 and 3 is 21, 21y. Minus and plus is a minus, so I have a 4x. Minus and minus is a plus, so 4 and 5 is 20y. Okay, this is not yet our answer. We are just halfway through, because let me just refresh you. What you have gotten is basically this kind of expression. Okay, if you can remember, we have just gotten this expression, which is now you have to simplify your algebraic expression. So that is why you have to understand algebraic expression first on how to simplify them, then you can do your expansion properly. So let's put all the x together, and I'm going to do that working for you, so you can see again. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm going to put the x together. So 14x minus 4x is here, minus 21y plus 20y. So now I have two groups. So my first group, I'm talking about x, so I'm going to put x. So I got 14 minus 4 equals to 10x. My second group is about y. I'm going to put a y. So I have a minus 21 plus 20. So this leaves me with just minus 1. So I'll just put a minus y. Okay, I don't have to put a 1 here. It's not necessary. This is understood as 1y. Okay, so this is our answer for this question. Okay, friends, I thank you for listening to my tutorial. You can go over this again, rewind, repeat this all over again if you need to understand this further. And share with your friends, show this to your friends if you feel that this will help them. Okay, I see you again.